What is a phoneme? This is a tutorial from phonic books. A phoneme is a speech sound within a word. A phoneme is the smallest unit of sound within a spoken word. The word comes from the Greek word phonema, which means sound. Letters are a code of symbols that spell phonemes in words. When we read, we translate the symbols into sounds, and thus we decode words. This is the basis of the English writing system. This tutorial will show how phonemes are at the core of both reading and spelling. How many phonemes in English? The English language has about 44 sounds of speech. This depends on different accents. These 44 sounds are represented in the English writing system by 26 letters of the alphabet and combinations of those letters. Hearing the phonemes in words. To hear the phonemes in a word, one must break the word up into its sounds. This is called segmenting. For example, take the word fun. When I segment it, it sounds like this. F, a, n. In this word, each phoneme is spelled by one letter. A complex phonic code. The English phonic code is complex. Unlike simple, transparent writing systems, in which phonemes are spelled consistently by one letter, in English, phonemes can be spelled by 1 to 4 letters. This is one of the basic concepts that children learning to read need to understand. Phonemes spelled by 1 to 4 letters. Here are some examples of phonemes spelled by 1 to 4 letters. In the word sit, the phonemes are s, I, t. Each phoneme is spelled by one letter. In the word male, the phonemes are m, a, ul. The phoneme a is spelled by 2 letters. In the word catch, the phonemes are k, a, ch. The phoneme ch is spelled by 3 letters. In the word through, the phonemes are th, r, u. The phoneme u is spelled by 4 letters. Blending phonemes. When children read a new word, they need to sound out the phonemes like this: m, a, t. They are encouraged to say the phonemes quickly so that they blend together into a word they recognize. At, mat. Spelling with phonemes. Children learn to spell by segmenting the phonemes in a word and writing a letter or letters, that's a grapheme, for each phoneme. For example, to spell the word hat, they would need to segment the word into sounds like this: h, a, t. The problem with spelling phonemes. There are a number of ways that phonemes can be spelled in the English language. Here are some examples of words with the phoneme O: go, snow, hope, goat, soul, dough, toe, and so. This complex spelling system is the reason why it takes children longer to become proficient spellers. It needs to be taught in a systematic way. Once children learn the alternative spellings for phonemes, they can learn to select the correct alternative for each word. Pronunciation of phonemes. Children learn to pronounce the phonemes when they learn to read with phonics. They are taught precise pronunciation, or pure sounds, as this helps reading and spelling. For example, the letter P is pronounced P, and the letter N is pronounced N. To learn this pronunciation, search for the Phonic Books YouTube video clip, Sounds of the English Phonic Code, or visit the Phonic Books website www.phonicbooks.co.uk. Find out more about synthetic phonics. If you would like to find out more about phonemes, graphemes, synthetic phonics, and phonic reading books, visit www.phonicbooks.co.uk and click on Teaching Tools.